My people, house where I'm robber don't go thief from. He fall asleep inside the house. I no just know how it happened. I don't know which magic. And this matter where they bring for Nana from Thailand. According to matter where reach me, they say the house now for one policeman. They say the man get money for Thailand. Now so the man they sleep before you know. He say normal level now. You know how all these people they stay for their house. Their children get their own room when they themselves get their own room. He say they in room. Before you know, he they hear the AC for your daughter room. They and the daughter no dey around. The daughter tell her he take permission from her. Say, Dad, I won't be around for some days. You know how these people they go now. So he couldn't hear the AC. He couldn't wonder say, I be this girl come back when she no tell me, or I no understand wetin happen. Now so he say make you go check. Oh. As this man just peep. He said, no, this is not my daughter. Before you know, and so he silently go call for backup. He said, I better make una come my house now. Before I commit murder, somebody is inside my daughter's room. My people now so the backup come. When they start to question the armed robber himself, they go tell us, say, Bia, you, how come you come from outside, you say they can't sleep, you can't sleep for person room. Wetin happen? He say you don't look for target since. Say they walk around the area, they find targets. He say you no see person wey go even use as this thing. As he can't see this kind of house, who go around say you enter the house. So he say he decide to rest more. He say he decide to rest, like he wants to take a break small before he continue his operation. Hey, my people. Now so this guy just fall asleep, the man just catch up. This one are the real definition of body no be firewood. This one. I'm not just understand. You go thief. You can't fall asleep. I bet my people see. They say even God rested on the 7th day. I bet me man rest. Now wait till they tell me. They say but Bible come rest. Even God will walk. On the 7th day, God rest. We go and say, okay, oh, I never see this guy robber. No. You know, say we don't they talk about robbers and robbers. This one, I never see. Forget them. This one carry he carry the trophy. I give him this trophy. I give up. The one who even shock me self, even on AC. This no be juju be that. You go, you not understand. You go thief, you go sleep, even on AC. Say may AC touch you small before you continue your operation. Maybe na the first time when this guy dey thief for rich man house. You know say if you don't dey used to Paco lifestyle, na papa you just go carry go. This one as he enter first, maybe the wall. Oh my God, I never see this kind of thing before. You understand? He can't touch the bed can't soft. Maybe you don't dey used to hard life. You dey sleep for ground or maybe under stones. As he touch soft bed, he say, I beg, make her just enjoy small. The house and the bed, they very comfortable. That's why he sleep off. I never see before. I dey tell now. If you don't see, I beg, make you tell me your experience. Start the drop out for that comment section because I need to hear more about this one. I don't laugh. I don't feel like I don't dey laugh since. I beg, I need to have a word. You know, see that policeman, the owner of this house. I need to get word with this man. No, whatever it is he has put inside that house, we need that. I mean, my people now don't need that. We need to put whether not the air freshener, I be something is happening. Except if that man an African man where they live for Thailand, but something is definitely going on. No, this one will sweet me die. Imagine if all our armed robbers, all the armed robbers where we get for our country, imagine say they anywhere they enter, they start to sleep. No, you know they think. Look at the future now, because I don't think I'm finished. We need to get what I know. Worry, I go ask her. The name of the French now, if not to ship her down to this place, we go ship her down. But we need that. Very, very important. My people, wait till I think concerning this sleeping thief. I need no opinion straight. This one will be joke. I bet drop off for that comment section if you don't experience sound like I talked before, or you know person where the thing happened to. I bet drop off for that side. And as usual, I go reply now one by one. Make sure say share this video so that our people gonna say they don't get air fresh now where they capture thieves, where they make thieves they sleep. Very, very important. And if you never subscribe, how you want hear this kind of thing? Just click on that notification bell so that you're not going to miss anything when we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story. Another Lagos kasala, my people. This one happened for Access Bank and right in Lagos. Scamming no dey finish oh, so I bet make una dey shine una eye as una dey waka everywhere wey una go. This one, wetin dey call am, man don go Access Bank oh. If una see scam down wey this man go put for that place, he just dey shout say make dey give am money. Give me my money, give me my wetin happen. Na so this man to say he receive call. They say some people call her, they tell her, say they be representatives from Access Bank. Say may send 100,000 naira to them. Okay, for my fellow Ghanaians where they watch. The 100,000 naira, if I know they mistake, are like 1,000 or 1,200 cedis. They say may send them, say he go receive 1 million in return. This man don't even think 1, 2. He don't even say, okay, make a call Access Bank first, find out. Nothing. Now, so he carry 100K, send down. He can't sit down like pregnant woman, they wait for delivery. This man wait. No, he don't see any alert, he don't see anything. Now, so he can't wonder, say, now, so he carry in crooked legs, enter Access Bank. Say, una call me, una tell me, say, I go receive this. They say, we no call you. Say, na scam. Can't see wahala. He just the whole even security the whole and they no feel hold up. I beg I bring a call on aside today. For now we don't know where till they share. I beg join me make we watch the video. I beg, who get mentors for that place? No, that give these guys more mentors because you know they meant. In fact, as I say like this, you don't get battery. It be like 1%. Now it remain. You never see anything. Greediness. Now they cause this one. You cause this thing for yourself, bro. So don't look me like that. How can no? Some kind things, I don't wonder how come some adults they fall inside some kind things. I'm not saying nobody be perfect, I know, but at this level, my people are beg. There are some things that you yourself you supposed to know. Say no. In the kind things where they happen for this Nigeria. No, if not before, I no go talk. Right now, this Nigeria, person call you, send 100,000, you receive 1 million. You too, you send 100,000. As Nigeria day like this. They continue to deceive yourself. I beg, anything, listen, anything where they involve bring small, collect big, I beg run. Run for your life before you start counting the stars. Run for your life because right now they plenty and now people don't even want to work. Everybody they look for easy way. Nah, I they should say this your 100,000. They don't go sit down for one bar now. Mama Nkechi, give me. They don't order. My brother, you never even start this fight. You see that 100K. They even call girls safe. They jolly on top of your money. You did there. You fight. You fight on unnecessary fights. I just dey pity you now. Una we know the year for this life. I dey pity you now because now like this, you go see the happen. You go see the apple. You know wise. You know even wise at all. See, I beg, listen. Some kind things, we fit to say a mistake. Some things go happen, we fit to say a mistake. But this one no be mistake. If not be greediness, let person tell me how you go just sit down and say you go get 1 million without working. Don't be say you invest inside business. No be say you do and I know just understand just like that. You sit down, you say you dey expect 1 million. No be juju be that. Where you want come? Everybody know say no be only Access Bank. Many banks, in fact, all the banks, even if they give you interest, they go say keep your money with us. It go dey increase. How many interest they want give you? Let's assume say na true na Access Bank send you that thing. Now you wan collect 1 million. Abeg, see, I no wan vex, and because if I dey hear matters like this, e dey make me, I no understand. I no wan vex, so abeg, make everybody learn to dey respect themselves. And Nigerian banks, una need to do more. Una no dey try. See, I dey tell una serious matter, una no dey try. This is not the first time wey we dey hear this kind matter wey person carry this one, person carry. Na so they go scam person, go do transfer. How come na only our banks no sabi trace money? Check them abroad. Once you don do one transfer like this, in fact, the last person wey receive that money sef, they know where you dey stay, they know. Na only our own dey different. Oya, trace the number now. Yes, transfer this thing now. You people are supposed to have all the details. You no get am. You now just dey do us like our government. I no know where una just dey fail us. Why you no fit just straight? Abeg, make una learn. I no know whether una go employ experts from outside, but una need to do more. Una no dey try. Una no dey try. Upon all the security measures wey una go dey tell us, hey, this one your money is secure. Now, where the money wey dey secure now? Abeg, do better and be fast about your actions. Very, very important. Abeg, you understand? I no be just Access Bank. All the banks for Nigeria, make una start the, you understand, hasten up una actions. Very, very important, so that we go dey more secure. And bros, sorry for your loss. So next time you go dey wise. Very, very important. You never see anything. No, tomorrow if you like, go send them 200,000. You go collect 2 million. No sense. And people are begging, na the matter be this, so they want key Access Bank people because of 100,000 naira. So I beg my people, na the matter be this. I say make I bring a corner aside so that una go know say scammers still dey available everywhere. I beg make una learn to dey careful and make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey shele. Subscribe if you never subscribe, because I wonder how you want to get interesting matters like this one. Drop your comment for that comment section, and as usual, I go reply on one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.